Hi guys, today we are in Ribble Steam Museum and welcome back to my channel Rediscover the World. I hope you can see. Because you'll be able to see it go across, like it goes across and you see it, but you hear it, like you will know we're running again. All those toys. Train and museums. Today we are in Ribble Steam Railway Train and Museum, and we are here for today for a rail bus. But unfortunately, the rail bus is broken, and they're trying to fix that rail bus. So we'll cover the museum first, and then probably once the rail bus is fixed, we'll take you to the rail bus ride, steam rail bus ride. That's a very old engine. Is LNWR Ramstorm, Ramsbottom 1439, 1865. You can go through the reading here. North Australia. So for the early part of its working life, 1439, worked in and around Liverpool dock, and then in 1940 was loaned to. Sorry. It's 1953. Oh my God. Beautiful condition. So we came here for this rail bus. This is 1954, oldest rail bus. Currently, I think they are testing this rail bus, and hopefully this can start soon, and we can go for a ride for this rail bus. For this rail bus, it's very old, very unique, beautiful. We'll try to see the inside. It's some of those. It's still a very old technology.